In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the D3d12.dll is missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and check first for the system type of your Windows. So type system information, click on it under the best match. Here you'll find the system type, okay? And then open any of the browser that you have on your Windows and simply search for Visual C++ Redistributable, this one. Click on it for the first result. Scroll down and you'll find the download link that corresponds to the architecture of your Windows. So I've already checked on that. Click on the download link and then click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then double click on that and then click on the install button. So if you click on the install button, wait for this to be installed. But if you have already installed it, click on the repair button and wait for this to be done. Now once done, then you have to close the windows and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. The next thing that we can do is to update our Windows. To click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here. Updating your Windows comes with the necessary files that we need. So simply update your Windows. Wait for this to be up to date. Now, once you're updated, just also restart your Windows and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.